I'm Kelly Anthony with theanthonykitchen.com. Today, we're sharing one of my all-time favorite Tex-Mex recipes. These Tex-Mex beef enchiladas were developed with seasoned taste buds and high expectations, and they never disappoint. The filling is no time to skimp on flavor when it comes to your Tex-Mex beef enchiladas. So going into that filling, we're gonna have some 80-20 ground beef, taco seasoning, and diced yellow onion. The first thing we're gonna do is saute that yellow onion. Once the yellow onion has softened, you'll add in your ground beef and your taco seasoning. Then you're just gonna brown up the ground beef until it's totally cooked through. At this point, we're gonna remove the ground beef from the pan and add a little butter. Then goes in some flour. This will serve as our thickener for our beef enchilada gravy. Stir that around just a little bit, and then we'll start adding the beef broth, one big splash at a time. Make sure that you whisk well after each addition. Once that mixture starts to resemble pudding, you can go ahead and add the remaining beef broth to the pan. Add the seasoning and allow the mixture to simmer. Once it's thickened up slightly, you can take it off the heat and it's time to assemble the enchiladas. Our enchilada sauce is done. It could not possibly smell more delicious in this kitchen right now. So what we're gonna do before we start assembling our enchiladas is add just a little bit of that Tex-Mex gravy to the bottom of a 9 by 13 inch casserole dish. Now here is an enchilada rolling hack. Before you start to roll your enchiladas, take your corn tortillas and wrap them up in a damp paper towel. Then put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds. This will make your tortillas soft and pliable and easy to roll. So I'm just gonna unwrap my little tortilla package here and start assembling the enchiladas. For the filling, we're gonna add just a little bit of handful of freshly grated cheese. This is a mixture of Monterey Jack and cheddar cheese, and it just goes right in the bowl, and then we'll stir it together. You don't wanna overfill the tortillas, so just a couple of spoonfuls is perfect, and then you'll just tightly roll them up and put them seam side down in the casserole dish. Once your enchiladas are assembled and rolled, it's time to add that dreamy Tex-Mex enchilada sauce to the top. Then we'll sprinkle with that grated cheese mix. Our Tex-Mex beef enchiladas are totally assembled and they are ready to go into the oven. Place them in a 350-degree oven covered with aluminum foil for 20 minutes. Then uncover the enchiladas and bake for an extra 15. The enchiladas are hot out of the oven and ready to serve. I hope that your family enjoys this recipe as much as ours does, and we'll catch you next time.